To start with, like no multi-age weather bot, so we are going to first initialize like no pip install Google ADK. Especially this is for ADK platform, which means agent development kit platform. So hyphen q is for quiet mode, which means we are suppressing the installation logs. Okay. And why do we need to build it? Because you cannot able to build or run agents without installing the ADK. Okay, so the Google ADK is going to provide the agent class and also tool calling frameworks, model integrations, agent routing, multi-agent workflows, session state, safety callbacks, deployment commands. Like it is going to support with all these tasks. And so we are installing like no light LLM. So which means what? It is an universal large language model for router and wrapper. So why do we need it actually? Because the ADK supports like no multiple LLMs, not only the Gemini. So Light LLM lets you to call actually OpenAI GPT-4 not and Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, Mistral, Grok, and Azure OpenAI, Cohere, and many more. So many more large language models it can able to support. So ADK, when you're using like ADK, it uses like Light LLM for the multi-model support always, choosing the best model for each sub-agent. So it would be no helping us for cost optimization and also for automatic failover. So let us execute. So installation successfully complete. So let us decode like what are the importing library statements. So import to OS already you know it is to work operate with the operating system interface, to create like environmental variables and to work with like no file paths during the agent setup. So and import like Asyncio, which means what? The Python library for asynchronous operations. So the ADK can use as like asynchronous execution during the agent message handling or multi-agent routing, tool calling. So a lot of things. And also we are going to, which means what? It is used for blocking as well as for makes the agent interactions much faster using the asynchronous. And we are just installing importing like no Google adk.agents, import adk agents. So this will be defining what is an agent instructions and tools, memory behavior, model choice, and routing logic. So all these stuffs you can able to explain in your project using this module. And Google ADK models dot light LLM import light LLM model. So this line we are importing because we are imports the LLM model wrapper for ADK. As we discussed already, multi-model support allowing your agent to use like Gemini, GPT-4, Claude, Mistral. Okay, so many agents we can able to access it. Next, we are just going to implement like no Google ADK sessions, import memory in memory service. Session service, which means it is going to load the session memory storage. This gives you your agent memory to across messages, which means it is going to remember the conversation context and also stores the last used city and also going to store in the stores last used city. And also it can able to maintain like user preferences, supports like stateful agents. So basically it is great for like no learning or prototyping. And you can see the Google adk.learners import runner. So this is especially for importing like ADK runners, which means what? Actually to execute or to simulate the agents programmatically, you do require this particular library. So where you can able to run the message loops, tool calls, multi-agent routing, and session context, which means it is useful for notebooks for local testing. And Google GenAI import types. This is going to import like content or message types for Google GenAI, which is used primarily in advanced agent workflows. And importing the warning, it is going to suppress the warning or it sets the logging to errors. So these are all the basic import statements we do require for this particular multi-agent. workflow. I'm just executing it. Basically, in this coding, we are going to set like API key configuration. Okay. So this cell prepares the environment to use like Gemini by using like Google API key and OpenAI GPT and Anthropic Cloud A. So models inside like ADK via light LLM model, which means what? It is going to integrate like all the three models. So we have already imported like OS, which means like operating system. So it's going to set an environment variables inside the Python. That is what each and every time we are just setting up the environment using the OS, right? I want to get into like Google API. So you want to create like Google Cloud API console. So you want to create like a API key here. So here the website is given. You can also go to the Google console and create, or you can just copy this website and then paste it here. If you would have already been created your API key, it's been visible. Okay, we have already created for the single agent, right? AI Studio. So here we do have like no API key. So we can copy this API key and we can paste it there. For OpenAI, actually, actually I do already have a OpenAI key, but I think it might get deprecated. So let me go and check one more time. So you want to copy this OpenAI API key platform and then paste it here. Paste it in your URL. Okay. So I need to do the sign up, or if you have already signed up, you can click onto the login option. And I'm just going to continue with my Google. I'm going to continue with my mail ID. So where I have already created a API key for AI Agent October, okay? So secret key. So I can make use of like no any of the API key. So I'm going to choose this API key. So here you see already I do have like Agent October API key. So I'm going to make use of that same key here. See, I'm just going to click on, or either you can use it directly or you can copy this key from here. So I'm just copying this key from here. Okay, I'm not going to give directly. I'm going to paste it directly. So I'm going to paste it directly over here, my key. So key should be more secret. So I have done with like no both the keys, like no Google API key and Open API key. Right now I wanted to create like no API key for third website, which means clouding. So for that, I think I have to create one more. So I'm going to log in to my Gmail account. So I'm going to choose as an individual. So it's processing. You can create a new API key here. So my secret key can give like no clouding November. So I'm just going to add. So this is my secret key. I'm just copying this key. Once I copy this key, I'm just going back to my website. I'm just going to paste my key over here. You see, again, these are all the some secret key. We are not supposed to expose our secret key. So finally, we have set like three different LLM. We are going to access LLM models from the three different tools, which means we can able to access like LLM models from these three different tools. So for example, Gemini 1.5, Gemini 2.0, Gemini Flash, or Gemini Thinking, Gemini Pro, all these LLM models we can able to make use of only with the help of like Google API key. And also if you want to work with GPT-4 model, GPT-4 not mini, or GPT 4.1, so all these models you can able to work with the help of like no OpenAI key. And also for Claude, so Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3 Sonnet or Opus. So all these models you can able to work with the especially with the Anthropic key. So these keys are used for OpenAI models, strong in reasoning and safety. And also we are going to make some generation, a new content based on our requirement. So what it is going to do, first of all, we are going to check the whether you replace the placeholder like API keys, placeholder of API keys with your API key. Okay. The other way you can able to set a API key, you can give the name for your key here. So you see here, add new secret key is there. So you can add the name like Google API key, Claude API key, or no OpenAI key. So you can give the name and you can copy the key here, paste the key here, and you can make use of this name over here instead of like no placeholder. It is not going to be visible for your for the user. Even if you share the code, so it will not be shown to the user. The keys are not going to be seen to the user. See, I've successfully executed, right? So especially from these three models, I'm going to make use of like Gemini 2.0 Flash, and from OpenAI, I'm going to make use of like OpenAI GPT 4.1 model. And also from my model Claude Sonnet, I'm going to make use of like no Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4 20250 model. So all these three are the different LLM models I'm going to implement. So we have done like basic setup of our multi-agent model. We will proceed.